Hello students, I am Swati Kedar. In today's C# session, we are going to see one more C# practice program that is on the static constructor and class. You already learn about the static constructor and class. Varsha ma'am already told you in C# theory class. In this static constructor, the name of static constructor must be the name of the class. Even they don't have any return type, means you have to give the class name and static constructor name same, and the given class may define only a single static constructor, means in one class you have to define only one static constructor. The keyword static is used to differentiate the static constructor from the normal constructor. For a static constructor you have to use the static keyword. For the constructor, a static constructor does not take access modifier and the static constructor can't take any arguments. In other way, it is not possible to overload a static constructor, means overloading is not possible in static constructor. A static constructor executes exactly one time regardless of how many objects of type are created. The static constructor executes before any instance level constructor, means it executes first static constructor then the other constructors. Static classes: when a class has been defined as a static, it is not created using new keyword. It can contain only static members and fields, means it have only static constructor and static members. If you create a class that contains nothing but static members and or constant data, the class has no need to be allocated in the first place. This is the static constructor and static class. And this program execution we are going to see in two ways. The first way in Visual Studio. In second way we type the program in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt. So let's start with the first way in the Visual Studio. For that you have to open the Visual Studio, go to File, New, Project, Visual C#, Console.NET Framework, and give here project name, and give here static constructor, and give here location for your project. For that you have to browse, go to D drive, create here new folder. I have already created here one folder, C# program, so I choose that folder and click on select folder and click on OK. After the clicking on OK, the C# file will be open. This code comes by default, you don't change it. Inside that only you have to type the program. I have already created here one file for this static constructor and class. You see here the first 4 lines, these are the namespaces. I have already told you in previous sessions. After that we have created here namespace, static class constructor. Inside the namespace we have to create the class and methods. After the static class my college, we have created here static class my college. Inside the static class my college we have created here static constructor and static fields. Public static string college name, we have created here one field college name of a type string, and it is the static. After that public string address, this is address field and it is type of string. After that we have created here static constructor static my college. Inside the static constructor we have taken here college name is equal to, and we are passing here where we have initialized college name with the string DMS Mandal College of Computer Application. After that address is equal to Belgaum, and you have to close the bracket of static constructor. You have to close the static class bracket. After that we have taken here one more class program. Inside the class program we have created here one method, main method, static void main, and program execution start from this method only. Inside the main method we have printing here console.writeLine, we have printing here college name and address. You see here we have printing here or accessing the college name and address without using the object, but using the static class name. My class is a static class name, and dot college name we have accessing without the object. And here also same console dot write line my college dot address, we have printing here address of the using the class name without using the object. We have to access that fields. After that, console dot read line method, we have to close all the brackets and save the program. And now we go for execution. For that you have to click on start. You see here there were built error, means we have error in our program. Click on no. And if you want to see the error, what is error in your program, so you go to view error list. The error list you see here we have 3 errors in our program. First error, my college dot address cannot declare instance member in a class, in a static class, means in line number 11 we have error. Here line number 11 in our program is here, means we can't declare instance member in a static class, means in a static class we have to declare the static members only. So we have to put here or type here static string address. Now error is gone, and save the program. And you see here error is 0 here, and click on start. You see the output here, the DMS Mandal College of Computer Application and address is Belgaum. This is the execution in Visual Studio. Now we go for execution in, we type the program in Notepad and execute on developer command prompt. For that we have to copy this program and open the Notepad and paste it here and save this program. Go to file, save. I have saved that file in my folder C# program. Give the file name. Static, I give here static class dot cs, and don't forget this extension dot cs for the C# file, and click on save. File is saved now. Now we go for execution. For that we have to open the developer command prompt. You see here by default we are in C drive, so our file is in D drive. So now we go to D drive. For that you have to type here D:. Now we are in D drive, and give here our folder location. For that you have to type here cd C# program and enter. Now we are in D drive in our folder. Now we go for compilation for this program. CSC static class filename.cs. For compilation you have to type here CSC filename.cs. File name is static class.cs and enter. File is compiled now. Now we go for execution. For that we have to type here only file name without the extension. You have to type the file name for execution and enter. You see here output is DMS Mandal College of Computer Application and address is Belgaum. This is the static class and constructor program execution. I hope you understood. Thank you.